Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about important dates, days and their significance. January 9, Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, Non-President India, NRI. On this day we celebrate the return of Mohan Chand Karamchand Gandhi from South Africa to Mumbai. January 10th, World Hindi Day. On this day, we celebrate the anniversary of First World Hindi Conference held on 1975 and the motto is to promote use of Hindi. January 12th, National Youth Day. On the day we celebrate the birthday of a spiritual leader, Swami Vivekananda. January 15th, Indian Army Day. On the day we honor the service of the Indian Army, General K.M. Cariappa became the first Indian Commander-in-Chief in 1948. January 23rd, Desh Prem Divas. The day we show love towards our nation, also celebrate the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. January 24th, National Girl Child Day. The day creates the awareness in the society for the equal rights to the girl child. January 25th, National Voters and National Tourism Day. The day is celebrated to create awareness among people to vote and democracy, even importance of tourism to the country. January 26th, Republic Day. India became republic on the day the Constitution of India came into act. January 30th, Martyrs Day. The day we celebrate to esteem those who lost their lives defending the sovereignty of the nation. February 24th, Central Excise Day. This day we celebrate to create awareness among people about the excise duty. February 28th, National Science Day. This day we celebrate to create awareness among youth about the science and technology. March 3rd, World Wildlife Day. This day we celebrate to preserve national resources, the flora and fauna. March 4th, National Security Day. This day we celebrate to provide the security work who gave security to the people of the nation. April 21st, Civil Service Day. This day we celebrate to remind the civil service employees their oath to serve the people. July 1st, National Doctors Day. This day we celebrate to admire the services and the profession of the doctors. July 26th, Kargil Vijay Divas. This day we celebrate to esteem the Kargil soldiers who martyred their life for the nation. August 7th, National Handloom Day. This day we celebrate to respect the art of handloom and increase the income of the weavers. August 9th, Quit India Movement. This movement was crucial in the independence of India. September 5th, National Teachers Day. This day is celebrated to respect the teachers and their services. October 8th, Indian Air Force Day. This day is celebrated to admire the services and the achievements of the Indian Air Force. November 17th, National Journalists Day. The day is celebrated to honor the freedom of speech, thought and virtues of the media to the society. December 4th, Indian Navy Day. This day is celebrated to admire the services and the dedication of the Indian Navy. December 7th, Indian Armed Force Day. This day is celebrated to collect funds from the Indians for the welfare of the Indian Armed Forces personnel. December 16th, Vijay Divas. This day is celebrated to esteem the Indian Army who won against Indo-Pak War in 1971. December 23rd, Farmers' Day. This day is celebrated to help the farmers and recognize their contribution to the Indians. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.